Updating your email address on Slack is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account reflects your new email. Step 1. Open Slack. Launch the Slack application on your device or visit the Slack website and log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the Slack interface. From the drop-down menu, select Profile and Account. Step 3. Edit email address. In the profile settings, look for the Account section. Click on Email or Edit next to your current email address. Step 4. Enter new email. Type in your new email address in the provided field. Make sure to double-check for any typos to ensure it's entered correctly. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new email, you may need to verify it. Check your new email inbox for confirmation message from Slack and follow the instructions to complete the update. Once you have completed these steps, your email address on Slack will be updated. If you encounter any issues, refer to Slack's Help Center for further assistance.